Bringing a guinea pig at home is a fun thing. You are getting a fluffy friend, going to have a lot of playtimes, and will enjoy their company. But before that, you have to make sure you have a perfect habitat for that little life. Also, make sure they get all the necessary accessories and setup to ensure their healthy and happy life. And the first step for this whole process starts with buying the right cage. In general, it is required to have at least a 7.5 square feet cage for one guinea pig. And with every guineas, the cage size will also increase. However, we have found the 5 best guinea pig cage on Amazon that you may get for your guinea pigs. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video.
At Petopedia, we aim to share our experience and knowledge about pet care to educate pet parents and pet lovers with amazing tips and tricks. Also, we provide the best reviewed products for your pets, while considering safety as our top priority and ensure the best care for their health, nutrition, comfort, and playfulness, so you can take proper care of your furry friend.
Petopedia.
Guinea pig habitats are more than having a good-sized cage. It should have hideouts, food bowls, water bottles, and obviously some playing toys for them. So, in our guinea pig cage list, first we have picked the Furplast KV80. This guinea pig cage is a fully equipped starter home for your fluffy friends that comes with all necessary accessories. With that, this guinea pig cage also has a front door that can be fully opened and will make it easy for you to clean the cage. Also, the 6-inch base will keep the litter and debris inside. However, it is a small starter home with about 30 to 16 inches dimension. But it will be a great habitat for a young piggy and space saving for you. If you have multiple guinea pigs at home, you might need a big cage or multi-layered option for you. So we have Midwest Critter Nation double unit on our list to give a perfect habitat for your multiple guineas. However, you can keep 2 to 3 guinea pigs in this multi-storied cage and also set up the required environment for them. As this Midwest cage has 2 pans and adjustable sleeves with 3 plastic ramps, it will be easy for your guineas to climb up and